So how you can make $500 per day with Clickbank affiliate marketing. Now let me share with you here in this video what you can do with Google Ads. Now why I'm choosing Google Ads as a traffic source is because you'll see later in this video is one of the best options out there for beginners and also for the veterans in this industry to start having daily results and sales with affiliate marketing. Now why I chose Google Ads? As you can see here, what can Google Ads do? Google Ads, you can see they can target at the moment of the intent. For example, if I have a problem right now and I have an idea to buy some product, I'm going to go into Google search and I'm going to type in the keyword, and if I see your website and if I see your ad appearing, I'm going to buy the product. You see, this is the biggest thing, let's say the unfair advantage over the Facebook or YouTube, right? People are there to buy products. So we have targeting by buying intent, and then we can target by browsing behaviors, and also we can target by interest and context. So there are many different ways you can target people, your audiences, your niches online using Google pay-per-click. So that's why I love personally Google Ads. Now, this is one of the ways that you can access the two largest search engines in the world. Now, how to start having results with a Clickbank affiliate marketing or whatever other network you're using. As you can see, the first thing is you have to set up your daily budget and bidding. And please stay until the end of this video, because at the end you're going to get my free bonus gift that I'm going to give you so you can start having results with Google Ads. As you can see over here, we have the budget for $100 per day. Now, why I said $100 per day? It's simple, because you have to start with at least $50 to $100 per day so you can start having some serious results. Especially if you're watching this video and if you want to have $400 or $600 or $500 days using Google Ads, you should set your daily budget minimum of 50 US. Now, if you have 50 US dollar per day, and let's say you're promoting an offer for $50 or $100, you get 1 or 2 sales, you make $200 back. So basically you have $150 profit in that day. So you can see over here we have daily budget, and then we can focus on conversions. So our goal is to get conversion, which is basically sale, direct sale, right? So the next thing is, what is my system with Google Ads? So pay close attention to this. You see, we have the main campaign, let's say the mother of the campaigns. It's over here at the top, as you can see, campaign in the purple color. And then we have 5 different ad groups. Now, if you have been following any other courses or gurus out there, there are many different ad groups. And as you can see over here, we have subgroups of those ads. So what would I do in this case? I would create 5 different ad groups with 5 different targeting objections. And then also, as you can see over here below, I would choose the different text. And one of these kind of, let's say, ad campaigns would go viral, would let's say, get the results, get us sales. So after that, what I would do is, I would close the one that are not performing well, and I would just scale with 2 or 3 campaigns that are doing really well. So in this case, as you can see, I would shut down maybe ad group 2 and ad group 5, and I would scale with ad group 1 and ad group 4. So in that case, you can really get great results and start seeing your first $500 profit per day using Google Ads. Now the next thing is what to look for. So you have to look for at least minimum of $50 commissions in sales price. Now if you want to run Google Ads, right, you must keep in mind that the numbers will be in your favor if you're going to promote more expensive products. The simple reason for that is because you're paying cost per click, right? You're paying per click. So let's say you pay $1 or $2 per click, you get, let's say, 100 clicks, you spend $200, and you're promoting a $50 product or a $100 product, you have 2% or 3% conversion rate, you make much more profit, right? Or 10% conversion rate, you make more profit with less effort if you're promoting more expensive products using Google Ads, right? And I suggest you to differentiate yourself from the masses. Don't care what masses are doing, right? What Clickbank gurus are showing you, because it does not work. Because if you have thousands of people buying the same course, doing the same exact thing, of course it won't work, right? Of course you cannot expect that it will get results, right? So you have to understand what you are doing, what is your strategy, and that's why we here help you to get results, right? So I personally can show exactly the lenders, what kind of landing page you need to have, what are the winning high converting offers, how to choose them, and how to properly set up your ads so that they are not bad ads, right? That look like ads, but actually really great, let's say, conversational ads, where people don't exactly see that this is the ad that's selling them something, but actually more like a value or the content, right? So there's a difference between bad ads, ugly ads, and good ads, right? So that's really important. So what is the 3 times money turning leads into gold? So the system I personally use, and I don't know if you know about this, is once you get a sale, what usually happens, right? On especially courses like Robbie Blanchard, or let's say any other kind of courses out there teach you to go straight for the sale. Now what happens? That's great. I also teach to go straight for the sale, but what happens on the back end? You lose money sometimes. You waste time. When you don't get the sale, right? When you have website visitors, of course you can retarget them, but you don't capture their email, right? You should build your email list on the back end. So I'm showing you a simple system where you can utilize that and make 3 times of the money on the back end. And most guys are losing tons of time and money because doing it incorrectly. Now I always suggest go direct for the sale. Yes, great, all great, thumbs up. But also keep in mind you have to capture the lead, because lead is money. Lead is real estate online. So when you have the leads, when you have the email list, you can also make money 3 times or 10 times more on the back end in the same month or the next year. Doesn't matter. But the important thing is, if you want to make consistent $500,000 days online, you have to build your email list on the back end, right? And I have a simple and, let's say, easy way to do it on the back end, so you don't have to spend months and weeks trying different expensive softwares, trying different lenders, what works, what doesn't. But we get down to one point, to the main point, and we get it up and running. And let me show you over here now. If you go over to clickbank.com, as you can see, I'm on Clickbank right now, and over here you can see we have marketplace. So in the marketplace, what you can do is, for example, you can promote many different offers. So I would suggest you go for the, for example, let's say over here, if you're in the health and fitness, yeah, choose health and fitness. But then you see you have many sub niches, right? It's not common weight loss. You have exercise and fitness, you have diets and weight loss, you have beauty, you have addiction. And I would go after addiction personally, because addiction, it's let's say one of the primary thing that happens with people, right? They are addicted to something, they need solution for that. So it should be on their mind all the time, right? Because they're addicted to it. So then we have meditation, we have nutrition, we have sleep and dreams, right? People who cannot sleep at night, they have problems with sleeping. So another thing, another problem, another huge niche. And then we have yoga and women's health, right? Spiritual health. So many different offers. Also remedies is huge niche. So I would go after one niche and after one sub niche, which is evergreen. Let's say dental health. I click on dental health, for example, over here. And you can see over here, we have what? T-burn, right? Of course, lots of affiliates going after this offer. But if you know how to correctly position your offer as an authority in the niche, how to make your lender produce results, you will get much more money on the back end, right? Lots of affiliates go after this low-hanging fruit on Clickbank, but they don't know how to properly set it up so they can make money, huge lots of money on the back end, right? If they convert those leads, if they capture the leads, and then also build an email list or get the access to the email list, and also use that asset, leverage that asset to get these $500 or $1,000 days, right? So if you're watching this video right now, and if you want to get the results with Clickbank affiliate marketing or Digistore, right, promoting using Google Ads as your primarily traffic source, then click the links below this video, subscribe to my channel, and please, below this video, in my bio, under this YouTube video, are going to be links to my social media accounts, WhatsApp, my personal number, also email, and also Facebook and Instagram, where you can reach out to me, DM me, or send me personal message, and we can get you up and running with affiliate marketing, so you can start having results or getting leads and sales using Google Ads as your traffic source. So what you're getting is you're getting done for you affiliate website. You're also getting targeting details. We together connect one-on-one personally and set up those campaigns on Google. So again, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips.